Do you ever wonder what happens to a piece of paper or your leftovers after you throw it away? Whether you're at school, a park, or at home, that trash usually ends up in the same place, a landfill. Landfills are essentially dumping grounds for waste. They get bigger every single day until they get too full or too tall. Eventually, a landfill will close and a new one will open. But they aren't the most sustainable, meaning they're not the best for people or the environment. Although there are a lot of rules and regulations to keep them safe, landfills can still pollute water and leak toxic chemicals. When food rots in landfills, it releases a gas called methane, which isn't good for the planet in large quantities. So what should we do? To some extent, we can't avoid landfills. We make a lot of waste. The average American produces between 5 and 7 pounds of garbage a day. When you add up everyone in the US for every day, that's a lot of garbage. Though some things always end up in a landfill, a good portion of what we throw away can be diverted, and there are plenty of things we can do to reduce our waste. The 4 R's are a way to help us do that. First, we can reduce. This means not getting a plastic straw when you don't need one, or only taking what you can eat. We can reuse, which can mean carrying a reusable water bottle instead of using disposable bottles or cups that you only use once before throwing away. We can recycle. Certain materials like paper, cans, and specific types of plastic can be saved and taken to be broken down in order to make new materials. And lastly, we can return. Though we should try to avoid leaving leftovers, composting food instead of throwing it away allows food to break down into soil and return nutrients to the earth. These are just a few examples of the ways the 4 R's can help us reduce our impact on the planet, but there are so many more things we can do as individuals and communities. We hope you're excited to incorporate the 4 R's into your life as a means to respect the earth and care for your peers and communities, as well as future generations. We all share this planet together, and it's our responsibility to help take care of it.